Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a hobo bag. For this project, I'm just going to do a quick, simple spiral. Spirals look great on projects like these. Everybody loves a good spiral. So I decide where I want the center of it to be, I give it a little pinch, and then using the microwave splatter guard and a hemostat, I create the spiral. So I click the hemostat down on the first click. It does not need to be overly tight. You don't want to tear a hole in your fabric. I give it a couple, 2-3 twists. With my opposite hand, I create the pleats and I create the spiral. And I go as far as I can using the splatter guard until I just can't go any farther. Then I unclick the hemostat, hold down the center of the spiral, and gently wiggle it out. For this project, I'm going to secure it by using my second favorite rubber bands. They're the perfect size for this small spiral. And I do have links for them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check that out. This bag is the perfect size for a muck dye. It fits perfectly inside this bowl that I got from the dollar store. Always check your containers to make sure that they don't have cracks or holes or anything like that, because you don't want to come back and find that all of your ice is melted and it's leaked through and is everywhere. That would be terrible. So this is the new Houdini blue from Dharma Trading Company, and it's a very pretty color. And I'm just going to go really simple with this one. I'm just going to be adding dye to the pieces of the pie. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Just take a quick moment to please subscribe, leave a thumbs up on this tutorial, and then click your bell and set it to all, and then go into your device settings and turn on notifications for YouTube. That way you never miss an upload. And for those of you that have been here and subscribed already, I'm so thankful for you. I couldn't do it without you guys. But I want to let you know that I do have a Facebook group, and it's called Belladonna Dyes Community Tie-Dye Group, and you can learn all kinds of tips and tricks in there. You'll find a link for it down below in the description box. It's the first link that's right underneath the Etsy link. The other Facebook one is my business page. Feel free to go ahead and follow that one too. Next, I give the project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure, and then I add my ice. And I like to add enough ice to where I no longer see the fabric showing, but it doesn't have to be all the way filled up. Your project doesn't need to be floating in several inches of muck water. And then you want to let the project batch for at least 24 hours at 70 degrees or higher. And I can tell you this project batched for the full 48 hours. I know that muck water looks scary, but trust the muck. Set it and forget it. So now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water. That's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do hot water cycle using Curalon. Curalon is a professional textile detergent that I get from Dharma Trading Company. And then I like to do a final hot water cycle using Millsoft, which is a professional fabric softener. And I do have links down below in the description box for Curalon and Millsoft. It just makes it easy for you to find. And then I'll put it in the dryer and I'll iron it, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our boho bag with a new color of Houdini blue, and the Houdini blue is the more navy blue color, and it sure is pretty. These bags are really nice. They kind of feel like stiff sheets. I don't know what kind of cotton that is exactly, but Bella looks great wearing it. One thing I will point out though, if you have a large bust, ladies, I don't know if this is a really comfortable bag. You know, keep in mind Bella is like a size -0, and she's not human, obviously, and look at how it fits her. So just something to keep in mind, but it took the dye like a champ. It was easy to work with. I think they're super cute, and if you're, selling tie-dye and have like a business, I think that these bags would be really popular. So what do you guys think of the bag? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!